Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to screenshot on your Samsung Note 10 Plus. This should work on the Note 10 normal. Well, all you gotta do is click down and power button at the same time, guys. Again, down, volume down, and power button at the same time. And there you go, a screenshot. The second way to doing it is you take out the pin. I'm not sure if you guys already knew this, but you click right here where it says Smart Select, and then just go wherever you want to screenshot, and then boom, you have a screenshot, and then you click right here, and then that's it. Leave a comment down below if you know any other way of how to take a screenshot on Samsung Note 10 Plus. I just got this phone, or if you guys know of any features that you guys love and I might not know about, let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Every time I find out about a new feature, I'm gonna post it on here. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next